Unlocking the purpose of lock washers.
Hello everyone. Today we're going to take a closer look at a small but mighty hardware component, the lock washer. This often overlooked piece has an important role in many DIY and professional construction projects. Lock washers are crucial for ensuring a secure, tight connection in your assemblies. Let's dive in and explore how they work and how to use them properly.
What is a lock washer?
A lock washer is a type of fastener that is used to prevent nuts and bolts from loosening or turning due to vibration or torque. They're typically placed between the nut or bolt head and the material being fastened. They come in many shapes and sizes, but their common trait is the ability to apply a spring force or gripping action that keeps the fastener tight.
Why do we use lock washers?
The primary reason we use lock washers is to ensure a secure, stable connection. They come in handy especially in machinery or any environment subjected to significant vibration or dynamic loads. Without lock washers, bolts and nuts could become loose over time, leading to potentially dangerous situations or damage. They can also help distribute load and prevent surface damage.
How do I use a lock washer?
The use of a lock washer is straightforward. Follow these steps. 1. Select the appropriate size of lock washer that matches the size of your bolt or nut. 2. Insert the lock washer onto the bolt after it has been passed through the material you're fastening. 3. Then, screw the nut onto the bolt. 4. As you tighten the nut, the lock washer compresses, creating a spring-like action or biting into the nut and bolt, depending on its design. 5. Tighten to the required torque. The lock washer will maintain a secure connection, preventing the nut or bolt from loosening due to vibration or other forces.
Types of lock washers.
There are two main types of lock washers, spring action and tooth. Spring action washers, like split or bevel washers, exert a spring force against the bolt and nut as they're tightened, which keeps the fastener secure. Tooth lock washers, like internal or external tooth washers, have teeth that bite into the fastener and the surface it's being fastened to, preventing any movement or rotation. That's all about lock washers. They might be small, but their role in keeping our structures, machines, and assemblies secure and stable is crucial. So next time when you come across a lock washer, you know its purpose and how to use it correctly. Remember, safety is always paramount, and every component counts towards that, even ones as tiny as lock washers. Stay tuned for more hardware insights and happy building!